Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose your reading preferences on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Profile button next to the Explore section at the lower right corner of the screen, and click to the Profile icon and click to the Edit Profile section next to the heart icon, and click to the Reading Preference section, and here you can choose genres. For example, historical romance, adventure, comic, or fun fictions. And if you finished, just tap to the submit button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.